Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Do you need somewhere to sit but don't have the space? This will be the best thing you have ever purchased. With a simple twist, this stool converts into a teeny tiny little carry package. It is super convenient. It also has a long strap, so if you are walking around or don't want to use your hands to hold it, you can adjust it and hold it on your shoulder. When we first got this, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical as to how well it would work. And I have to tell you, my mind has been blown. This chair can be adjusted from a height from as low as 2 inches all the way up to maximum capacity. You can adjust it to be halfway if you wanted to, just by simply twisting earlier. This is designed to take up to 396 pounds, and as you can see here with my husband sitting and wiggling on it, it doesn't even move a little bit. It is so amazing, and I feel really secure using it. So guys, I love it. It definitely comes in handy in so many different situations, but that's just my point of view.